In coming to By the Yard, when I heard the opportunity was available, I was genuinely very excited about it. I knew the reputation of the brand. I knew that it stood for quality and for the highest of customer service.
Having a family-oriented business is really important. At the end of the day, it's really nice to come to an environment where you feel like you're happy, you're safe, you're welcomed.
It's a small family-owned company and we're all a family. We're always looking out for each other. We don't take ourselves too seriously here. We want to have fun.
There is a lot expected, but there's also a lot of support as well. Someone that is outgoing and ready to work fits in well here.
We have a 401k that's unlike any other one that I'm familiar with. If you're interested in joining the By the Yard team, just go to our website and fill out an application there, or pick up the phone and give us a call. We'd be more than happy to talk to you and why you're interested in working at By the Yard.